Alright, just want to make a video here. My father, his car has been having a dead battery a couple times here lately. He just doesn't drive the car enough. He maybe drives it 3 times a month, if that. And lately he's been having some electrical issues, like some lights are coming on in the gauge cluster. And anytime you have any electrical issues whatsoever, you always want to start with checking your battery to see if it's a good battery or if it needs to be replaced. If it slightly comes up as not a good battery, start there first. That way you're not chasing a problem that just electrical due to battery. So here is a battery tester that I like a lot. It's called the TopDon 101. I use this on all my vehicles, and it's real simple and easy to use. And it was pretty cheap too. I think I paid, it was like 35 or 39 bucks, something like that, for this battery tester. So first, all you gotta do is just obviously just connect it to the battery post. Negative to negative, positive to positive. I'm just going to ask, so it does come on here. It says currently the battery has 12.3 volts. When was the last time you physically charged the battery? Like you put on
2 or 3 weeks ago.
Oh, so it's been a while since you just, because it's going to ask a question, is it fully, like, did you just fully charge it? So anyways, we're going to start with OK. We're going to select English. It's currently still in the vehicle, so let's see here. Oops. Change that to in vehicle, hit OK. Select charge, so we're going to go with before charge because he says it's been a couple weeks since he's actually charged the battery. It is a regular flooded battery, so they also make batteries that are called AGM, spiral batteries, that kind of stuff, but this is just a regular automotive battery. So now you want to enter the cold cranking amps, and if you look here on the battery, this one here says 550 cold cranking amps. I don't know if you guys can see that. So you just want to use the arrow keys. We'll change this to 550. Alright, we'll hit OK. I'm going to guess he has a weak battery, but we're not 100% sure. It says state of health, 71%. State of charge is only 43%, which seems awful low, or unusually low. Now it's at 12.2 volts. Comes back at 465 cranking amps. Says good battery, but says to recharge the battery. And I know my dad drove the car just yesterday, so it should have kind of charged itself up. So the two things that weird me out is state of charge only being 43% and also saying it needs to be recharged. But also this battery tester does other stuff. So here, he'll do a cranking test. Hey Dad, would you want to start the car up, and I'll tell you when to start it or when to turn it off. So it'll actually test the starter, that kind of stuff here, you'll see. Okay, tech car started, it's testing. Cranking voltage is very low. When it actually started the car, it was only at 8.9, which is really bizarre. So it dropped from 12.2 to 8.9 just to start the car. Now it's going to do a charging test, make sure our alternator is charging correctly. Could be an alternator problem, I don't know why the battery's not charging or fully charging. Charging test. Increase the RPMs to 2500 for about 5 seconds. That's good. Charging is normal, 14.04, non-loaded 14.3. So the alternator is doing its job, the starter is doing its job, just the battery is dropping in voltage a lot when it goes to start the car. So even though it says good battery, I think we're going to start with replacing the battery today. Just in my years of working on cars, the absolute best price I've found on batteries is a place called Rural King. You might want to check locally and see if you have a Rural King close to you. Luckily, we have one that's only 10 minutes away. But this is a very common size battery. It's called a 24F60, which fits most all Hondas, most all Toyotas, Lexus, Acura, that kind of stuff. Sometimes Rural King will have them on sale for like $44 for a new battery. I think the regular price is like $54. But they'll go, like I said, they'll go on sale like around Thanksgiving or around Christmas, that kind of stuff. They do sales every now and then. So in a scenario that you don't have to have a battery today, you could wait a month until it actually goes on sale and buy your battery then. But if you come into a situation where you're like, man, my battery's completely dead and I have to replace it, you probably just want to go buy one from Rural King. But I mean, other places like AutoZone, you're looking at like $95. Walmart, I think, is like $89. So, and they're good batteries. They're built by starts with the letter E. Let me see. I can't see it right now. But anyways, they're a brand name battery. I forget what it is off the top of my head. But they do have a 1-year free replacement warranty and a 5-year prorated warranty. So stick with us and we'll replace the battery. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.